Hi mga kabeshi, kung magaganda na katulad ko. Char! So today mga kabeshi, samahan nyo kami sa isang simpleng araw sa buhay namin. So we are running a few errands, including groceries at Publix. Then nagpunta din kami sa Dollar General for the first time. Tapos nagluto din tayo, baking banana bread, and then nanood ng football, ganun. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Samahan nyo kami ngayong araw na ito. Let's go! So ayan mga kabeshi, bago kami umalis, chinek muna ng aking poging asawa yung mailbox and may nakuha siyang package or parcel, ganun. What's that?
Seems awfully small for what I paid for it.
Cable. Medicine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ayan, magpapagas muna yung aking poging asawa. Baby. Hi, Pogi. Ayan, pupunta kami ngayon sa Publix. So, today is September 6. Okay, dadaan muna kami dito sa Dollar General. Alright. So, pasok na tayo. Ito yung aking poging asawa. So, ito yung mga paninda nila dito. Mas tignan natin kung mas mura ba dito. I'm not sure. So, yan. Ayan, nakikicheka yung aking poging asawa about sa football. Look at this. Powerade 140. How much this one? No price. How about this? Oh, how about this?
2 for $4. So probably.
It's only one. Ah, here. Still have
Louisiana
that.
hot sauce. Sweet heat.
Oh, $1 lang. Reese's. What is this?
Oh, 25, but there's just a few little tiny ones in here. Look at that.
How much that?
$1.25. But there's not.
But how much in Publix?
They don't sell them that small, I don't guess.
But this, oh, $1. Oreo. Bread. So yung ganitong bread, mga kabeshi, mas mura dito kaysa compared sa sa Publix, kasi sa Publix more than $4. Ang maganda kasi sa Publix kapag natsambahan mo sila na nag-buy one get one, jackpot. They have a lot of dresses here. KitKat. So dito naman sa Skippy nila mas mura dito kasi sa Publix nasa $5.79.
That's a good price on that.
I can't remember how much in Walmart is that. Where is the sausage? And the biscuit. They don't have biscuit. 99 cents. It's cheaper here. So yung meat pounder nila dito is $9. Tapos sa Publix naman last check namin is $20. Tapos nagtingin din ako sa tawag dito sa TJ Maxx, it's only $12. Tapos, ayun, hindi pa kami bumibili ng ganito kasi medyo magaan sila. And sabi namin, itry namin pumunta sa Walmart. Baka mas may mabigat doon na meat pounder, gano'n. So, ayun, this time, titingin kami ng meat pounder doon sa Walmart. Try me on my head. Sila ditong, how much this one? $1. Grateful. Okay, $1. How much this? $3. Wow. $15 para sa cake. Ito $1 lang, kaya lang wala siyang partner. Dapat dalawa. Ganyan $8 siya. It's raining, baby. Faster. So ito lang yung nabili namin sa $1. Lipat kami sa Publix. Siguro next time na kami. So ayan, papunta na kami sa Publix. Magkalapit lang naman ang Publix tapos Dollar General. Kaya na-curious lang ako kung ano yung mga binibenta nila doon. So anyway, doon sa Dollar General, marami silang items na tigwa $1 lang. Yung mga ibang items nila, konting diferensya lang naman yung mga prices dito sa Publix. Ang problema, mostly na kailangan namin ay wala sila doon sa Dollar General. Unlike dito sa Publix, as in kompleto sila. Meron silang mga karne, ganun. Doon wala sila mga kabeshi. So anyway, andito na kami sa Publix. So ayan, yung store ng Publix. So pipick upin niya muna yung gamot niya sa pharmacy. Kasi nung nakaraan, nakalimutan namin siyang pick upin. Yun yung pharmacy dito sa Publix. How many do you need? So, kailangan namin ng bulb. This one, oh. Philips. The best brand. Look, they have GE also. $12.49. Ito na yung napili namin. Buy one, get one. So, kailangan namin ng this. $6.29. Hindi natin ng powder. $5.49.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive. $5.49. Kailangan namin yan. Skippy, where is the Skippy?
Buy one, get one.
Really? $5.79. You wanna try that, Peter Pan?
Well, buy one, get one.
Okay. Creamy. Honey rose.
Down here. That's the big one. Probably that one. You wanna try honey roast? Never tried that before.
You wanna try that? Get that one, baby. So, ayan. Yeah. You want that?
Well, buy one, get one.
Honey wheat, but they don't have whole wheat.
Yeah, they do. Get the whole wheat.
And then that one. So buy one, get one sila. Okay. Kailangan namin ng sausage. Mahal ng sausage nila dito, baby. $6.59. Hot? No, not hot. This one. No. Ito pala. $6.59. Do you want hot?
Just regular. How many eggs do we have?
Oh, we need rice vinegar. There's no cheaper baby. What's that?
Cooking wine.
It's cooking wine. It's okay. Would it have cheaper maybe? Mild sweet? Maybe this one. This is not organic.
No.
It's okay. Okay, kailangan natin ng ham for $71. Roast beef, balik natin. $5.48.
Put that one back. I'll get this one.
Or ouch. So yun yung mga hams nila. $2.48. What are you looking for?
Roast beef.
Roast beef. Try it. That is $5.48. Ano natin ito? Just one, baby. For him. $2.99. Ang pangit ng ano nila. Hey, look.
Get a bag. You need ginger?
Yeah, ginger. Medyo mahal yung ginger nila. Ito lang yung kailangan natin. Maliit lang. Yan yung organic nila. That one. Oh, yan na lang, baby. Yeah. Mga prutas nila, oh. star fruit. Why you have here? I thought this is Asian fruit.
No, well, it might be, but we got it here.
Kailangan natin ng onions. Yan yung onions nila. Wow, how much?
$7.
$7? Okay.
But it's like, look,
What?
look at it.
It's
And you get
thicker. Maybe what kind of beef do you want? What is this? Tenderloin mignon? This one. Okay. Tapos na kami nag-grocery. So it is... Right, we are here now. Boom, panis. You wanna eat rice today?
not particularly.
Top prospect on that line. Fresh set of downs for Ty Simpson. And a little touch pass here is Lozier Brooks.
So ayan, kain na tayo ng dinner. Ito yung pagkain ko. Fried rice. Then ito naman para sa aking asawa. Oops. Ayaw niya kumain ng rice today. Nilagyan natin ng cheese. Siya. Ito lang yung kanyang dinner. Hindi natin dyan. So, ito yung dinner namin today. Kain! Kain na tayo! Linisin muna natin ito kasi super oily. Babad muna natin ng konti. So, okay. Punasan na natin to.
Soft pants.
Touchdown! Look at that.
He deserved more than that.
If it could work only once, he'd be proud it was you.
It's delicious.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Maserati.
Go, go. Roll Tide.
Tide!
Happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Say Roll Tide.
Roll Tide!